Hello and welcome everybody. Thank you for watching. This is Nick at Burtness Chevrolet Buick GMC right here in Whitewater, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about remote start on GM vehicles here, so I'm going to demonstrate that for you. If you do have remote start, it's going to be on your key fob. So taking a look, in particular this is a 2021 GMC Sierra Elevation here with a diesel. But remote start, what we're going to do is we're going to double lock the truck, and then we're going to hold down this circular button, and then the pickup truck will start. So a couple things about remote start is you can do it twice, and each time it's going to last 15 minutes before it wants you to manually go inside the vehicle and actually start the pickup truck. While it's under the remote start, you can have it set for the heated seats and the window defrosters to come on, or the cooled seats to come on. That way when you get out to your vehicle, everything's nice and warm or cooled off and defrosted. Once you've done the remote start and you get to your vehicle, you basically have to start it again, if that makes sense, whether that's push button or with a key, but this one's push button. So we're going to put our foot on the brake, and then we're going to turn it on. If it's a key, put the key in the ignition and turn it on as if you were starting, and we can see everything's lit up and running now, radio's on. A couple things with remote start: if you do want heated seats and defrosters to come on, we're going to go into the settings here. So just get to your home screen here and go under your settings. We want to go to a vehicle tab here. We're going to scroll to something that says remote lock, unlock and start here. Tap on that. We have remote start, auto heated seats. So if it's cooler outside, your heated seats will come on for you. Again, if we want the climate and everything, we're going to go to climate and air quality. So auto defog for the front, and then the rear on as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy. Again, my name is Nick, work at Burtness Chevrolet Buick GMC right here in Whitewater, Wisconsin. Thank you again for watching. Have a good day.